Welcome back, everyone. So last week we took you through the research process of this exciting property in Boundary Road, St. John's Wood. We were prepared to bid competitively and we were very excited about this property.
That's right. We analysed the legalities, we crunched the numbers, and we identified our green, amber and red bidding zones. But did we win this property? Let's find out.
So in this video, we'll share with you our experience of bidding, the results of the auction, as well as what we learned from it and the 4 lessons that you need to take away from this exercise. So make sure you stay till the end and comment, like and share this video if you might find it. So Jay, cut to the chase. What happened at the auction?
Buckle up, Piotr. The bidding started strong, exceeding the guide price of £220,000 within the first few minutes. Okay. You could tell very early on that there was a fierce battle taking place between several very determined auction bidders.
So we knew there would be a fierce competition based on the seller buyback clause as well as the residential potential of this property and the fact that it's in a really amazing area. So did it all impact our strategy?
Absolutely. But we stuck to our amber zone. Our maximum bid on this was £330,000. We're happy to tell everybody this now, right? £330,000. But this is what you're going to love. Ultimately, through competitive bidding, this property sold. The hammer fell at £477,000.
That's more than double the guide price for this property and significantly more what we were prepared to pay. So what are your initial thoughts, Jack?
Well, I'm disappointed for sure. We missed out on a great opportunity, but it also highlights the unpredictability that you find at auctions. This happens all the time.
Yeah, that's right. So the other property across the road, it sold for $490,000 in December, so 4 months ago. They had double the income, they had double the size, and it sold for £13,000. Massive difference. Like we actually had hopes that we're gonna end up with this property.
We focus on things like pound per square foot, the different exit strategies, and in these kind of environments, you have to respect that different people are going to view these deals in a different way. But we knew from the very start, well, once we got through a certain layer of the due diligence, we knew that those warring solicitors, those ex-partners, were going to fight this one out. And in those circumstances, they don't look at pound per square foot. They're looking at how much can I get this person to pay. But so it's not really about true value now. But was it still worth us going forward and doing this deal, or trying to? 100%.
All right, Jay. So let's dissect this.
Yeah.
What are the key takeaways that we can share with our viewers?
Lesson number 1 for me is, especially at auction, market forces can be completely unpredictable. This property attracted fierce competition for very good reason. You know, this wasn't a shiny penny in the auction catalogue. There were problems. All of it you can overcome. So in that sense, the fact that the price was driven far beyond our own expectations, not a massive surprise for us.
Okay, and lesson number 2, be prepared to adjust your strategy. So for us, what we mean by that is to always have multiple exits based on other things that might happen. So in our circumstances, we knew that there was a dispute. We knew that the problems or challenges with the planning, maybe we'll get this planning, maybe we'll get that planning. And you need to always plan for all those things happening and choose a price that works for every of those scenarios. And you need to be flexible, but at the same time, within limits that you impose on the project and within the limits where the numbers actually work.
Yeah. So lesson number 3 for me, don't be afraid to walk away. You know, sticking to our budget was so important, but overpaying can levy such unnecessary financial strain on a deal. But having that, the ability to walk away means that you're not emotional about the deal. Okay, and I think that's really important. Did we look at those numbers and think, wow, if we built this out and everything was perfect, there's X number of £100,000 worth of profit? You can get easily emotional and and you can become motivated by that emotion. So don't be afraid to walk away.
Definitely. And I think that's what sellers were. Like they were emotional about that particular purchase, and that's why the price exploded.
Yeah.
So, great. Lesson number 4, there's always another deal. We missed out on this one, and there's like 1,000 properties coming up for auction every week, and there are deals out there. There are deals. There might not be exact things that you're looking for today, but next week, and as long as you regularly go through the catalogs, there are deals out there, and those deals are waiting for people who are prepared, and those are waiting for people who have experiences of trying to buy something, going through the process of assessing the risk, doing the numbers, and then they're ready, and when the opportunity comes. And I think this just brings us closer to another.
Absolutely. So what's next for us? We're constantly looking for new opportunities.
Exactly, and we'll keep you updated in our property hunt. If you have any deals you want to ask to review on the channel, or if you want someone to do a deal, we might have buyers for those. Say there's a buyer, we have buyers in our auction buyers club, so feel free to send those things to us. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment under this video. So what you find valuable, what you learned from this experience, and are there any other things you want to share with us? We're always open for conversation. So drop a comment below.
As always, thank you for joining us. Remember to subscribe, like Piotr says. For more insights into the world of property auctions, you can find it here.